Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. Today I'm going to show you the most important tool that every installer should have. Today on Jones Knows.
Beautiful, you and me, we meant to be.
Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor. So today I want to show you the most important tool, not the most important, but one of the more important tools that every installer should have. Now you're probably going to laugh, but I'm about customer service, and this guy right here, doesn't have to be this one necessarily, but one of these blowers is going to make all your customers happy because you're not going to leave a mess behind. I am big on pavers and not leaving dust in them. See all these pavers here? You never get that out. We could sweep, we could sweep, we could sweep. That little thing, that just by blowing that for a couple seconds and cleaning up after you've worked in someone's house makes all the difference in the world. When they come outside the next morning and they see sawdust stuck to their papers, they're going to remember something from the installation that you don't want them to, something they don't like. They're going to remember that you left a mess, and you don't want to do that. Take the time, clean up after you work, and you'll make a lot of customers happy. You gotta be kidding me. And my battery died. Oh, it's working again. Bring a blower that plugs in, or you have multiple batteries. Now I have to charge before I can go home, and it's a Friday. Now I'm gonna be late. So I guess it's just another day of the week, because I'm always late. The cost of videos is going up. The cost of camera equipment, sound, lighting, and editing equipment is really rising. We appreciate any donations that you can. We're gonna put a PayPal link in the description below. Anything you can contribute, buy the guys lunch, whatever it takes to help make these videos as successful as they are. We appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors is best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.